So question 8 says graph the function, be sure to label 3 points on the graph, and we have y equals the cube root of x. So again, the cube root function is going to be similar to the square root function, is it's going to run more left and right. So it's kind of snake left to right. So almost like if you think of the song Walk Like an Egyptian, it has one of those kind of arm movements. One arm's kind of high, one arm's kind of low. The left arm is the one that's low, and the right arm is the one that's kind of high. So again, if I type in y equals, now to do cube root, if you hit the math button, number 4 is cube root. And then if I put x in there, you can get that. So you could find the cube root under the math button. And then if I hit the graph button, you'll see it's kind of like the snake. Notice how the left arm is kind of down, the right arm's kind of up. So if you want to mirror it with your arms, what's it look like? Just think mentally, that's what you're looking, that's what it's looking like, is that. So this is kind of your torso, and then your arms going this way and this way. Again, if I look at the table, notice that, cube root, you're talking about cubes. So 1 cubed is 1, 2 cubed is 8. So notice that, the cube root of -8 is -2. So that's how we could have -8, -2. The cube root of -1 is -1. So notice that you can take the cube root of negative numbers, because you can cube a number and get a negative number. So that is possible. 0, 0, 1, 1, and notice that there's this 8, 2 as well. So notice how we do have some origin symmetry going on here as well. So it looks like this graph here is modeling it the best based on what I'm seeing here. If I go back to my graph, this one here looks like that's the best match for us. So again, notice how it does not have any domain or range restrictions there. Even though you see a radical, cube root is not an issue. It would still work out just fine.